Apple launches refurbished iPhone 16 lineup with discounts up to $230. Apple has officially started selling certified refurbished iPhone 16 models through its online store in the United States, and the discounts are significant. For buyers who want the latest iPhone experience without paying full retail price, this could be the perfect opportunity. Let's break down what's available, how much you can save, and whether buying refurbished directly from Apple actually makes sense. The full refurbished iPhone 16 lineup. Apple's refurbished store now includes the entire iPhone 16 family, iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro Max. That means whether you're looking for a standard model or a flagship Pro Max, you now have lower priced options directly from Apple itself. And this isn't third-party refurbished. These devices are certified by Apple. Pricing breakdown. How much are you saving? Here's where things get interesting. The refurbished iPhone 16 starts at $619, making it the most affordable entry point into the lineup. The iPhone 16 Plus starts at $699. For the premium models, the iPhone 16 Pro starts at $759. The iPhone 16 Pro Max starts at $929. Depending on the model and storage configuration, discounts range from $110 to $230 compared to original launch prices. To put this into perspective, when the iPhone 16 series launched in September 2024, prices ranged from $799 all the way up to $1,199. Apple later reduced the prices of the standard iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus to $699 and $799 for brand new units. But the refurbished pricing still undercuts those. So in some cases, you're getting a flagship level iPhone for hundreds less than launch pricing. That's a serious value proposition. Availability beyond the US. While the US store has officially rolled out these refurbished models, Apple's gradually expanding availability to other regions as well. Refurbished iPhone 16 devices are starting to appear in Apple's online stores in Canada, the United Kingdom, France, like Germany, Key seg Germany, Key in other lies, Key. Switzerland, and additional markets. However, the selection of models and configurations may vary by country. Some regions might only offer specific storage options or colors. Availability is typically limited and rotates frequently. So if you see the configuration you want, it's usually smart to act quickly. What does certified refurbished actually mean? Now here's the part that matters most. When people hear refurbished, they often worry about wear and tear. But Apple's certified refurbished program is very different from buying used from a random seller. According to Apple, every refurbished iPhone is fully tested. Each device receives a brand new battery. Each device gets a new outer shell. Devices are unlocked. They ship with a USB-C cable. BICUS. They come with a 1-year warranty. That last point is important. You're not getting a short 30-day reseller warranty. You're getting the same 1-year limited warranty that comes with a brand new iPhone. And just like new devices, refurbished iPhones are eligible for AppleCare Plus, ICAS AppleCare 1 were available. That means you can extend coverage exactly the same way you would with a new phone. Apple even states that refurbished iPhones are virtually indistinguishable from new. In practical terms, once it's in your hand, you likely wouldn't be able to tell the difference. Packaging differences. There is one small difference. Refurbished iPhones come in a simpler white box rather than the retail packaging used for new devices. Inside the box, you'll find the refurbished iPhone, not a USB-C charging cable. That's it. No flashy packaging, just the essentials. But for most buyers, saving over $100 is worth skipping premium retail presentation. Is it worth buying refurbished? Now let's talk value. If you're someone who doesn't need the absolute latest release on day one, Wants Apple quality with warranty protection. Attack prefers buying directly from Apple. Wants to save over $100. Then this is arguably one of the safest ways to buy refurbished electronics. You're not gambling on battery health because the battery is replaced. You're not dealing with cosmetic scratches because the outer shell is replaced. And you're not risking activation lock or carrier restrictions because the phones are unlocked and verified. Compared to buying used from marketplaces or third-party sellers, Apple's Refurbished program offers much more peace of mind. Why Apple Refurbished matters now. The timing is interesting. With newer iPhone generations on the horizon, Apple often shifts previous models into the refurbished store to maintain price tiers without directly slashing new device pricing too aggressively. This strategy allows Apple to maintain premium brand perception, offer lower entry prices, compete in the mid-range market, keep older models relevant. And for consumers, that means access to flagship-level performance at reduced cost. The iPhone 16 series still offers powerful processors, advanced camera systems, premium build quality, and long software support life ahead. So for many buyers, paying full price for the newest model may not even be necessary. Who should consider this? Refurbished iPhone 16 models are especially appealing for students, appealing business users, parents buying for teens, secondary device buyers, anyone upgrading from a much older iPhone. If you're coming from an iPhone 12, 13 or earlier, the iPhone 16 series still feels like a massive upgrade. And getting that upgrade while saving up to $230 makes the decision even easier. Final thoughts. Apple's launch of certified refurbished iPhone 16 models adds serious value to its lineup. With prices starting at $619 and discounts reaching up to $230, buyers now have access to premium hardware at more accessible pricing. Without sacrificing warranty coverage or quality assurance, you get the new battery, easy new outer shell, full testing, 1-year warranty, Apple Care eligibility, and in many cases, a device that looks and feels brand new. If you've been waiting for the right time to upgrade, but didn't want to pay full launch pricing, this might be your moment. Because sometimes the smartest upgrade isn't the newest phone, it's the best value.